Welcome to VFM Autosales Groombridge. This is a little bit of an unusual one. It's one of my own personal cars that I've had for several years. 4 in total. Had every intention of keeping it. But sort of run out of a little bit of enthusiasm. Did have a running problem, which I have now sorted. You might have looked at this car before, but runs and drives really nicely now. During my ownership, it's had a clutch, front shock absorbers, 4 tyres, service, everything I have with the intention of keeping it, but basically I've got too many cars and it just sits about. Don't do anything with it, battery goes flat. You know the story. So I've cleaned it all up. It's got a fairly fresh MOT on it, so could be used, could be improved body wise, but really very good for one of these, and really very solid underneath as well. Let me walk you around some of the little bits and pieces on it so you know. So you've got a little bit starting on the bottom of this door, easily caught, a few stone chips, shallow dent, really clean for one of these. They have a reputation for being a ruster, but latterly, later in production, they really weren't. They had galvanised bodies, but you know, internet says and all that. Judge for yourself rather than listen to them. Did front brakes too. Basically, I'd had one as a company car way back, and it just spoke to me a little bit and still does. I love the little things like this. So simple. Not like a modern car. So 51,000. It stacks up from the MOT history. Original radio cassette player. Very nice inside here. The 1 key. Doesn't have a service history as such. It does look obviously loved. There's that. I haven't changed the timing belt. I have no intention to do so. It's not actually an interference engine, so it wouldn't matter if it did. A few spare parts. Changed the fuel pump, got a spare heater matrix, spare throttle body. There's got a new throttle body on there. That would seem to be the problem. We swapped the potentiometer from one to the other, which seemed to be giving me a starting issue. So there it is. Obviously, with the age and it being my own car, There isn't a warranty on this, I'm afraid. It's not the most expensive thing, so please don't expect it. Happy for you to come and put it through any trial you want to. Got a ramp here, you want to have a look underneath it. Just a really nice, genuine old car, and I'm sure that a new owner would love it and take it to another level, but it's certainly got the potential to be a really good, interesting daily, or maybe just like a little weekend biff about. Give me a call if you want to go through anything more on it and I'll take you through it. Thanks a lot.